Alright, so let us move on to the next slide. Everyone, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun, isn't it? Instead of repeating the same name again and again, we use pronouns to make our sentences smoother and more natural. Now, let us look at each type step by step. First, subject pronouns. These are used as the subject of a sentence, the person or thing doing the action. We use I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. For example, she is my friend. Here, she is the subject. It tells us who we are talking about. Alright? Next, object pronouns. These receive the action. For example, she helps me. Who is doing the action, everyone? She. Very good. Who receives the action, everyone? Me. Alright. So I hope you understand this part clearly. So we use me, you, us, them, him, her, and it. They usually come after the verb or preposition. Now, possessive pronouns. These show ownership. For example, this book is mine. We don't repeat the noun again. We use mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs to talk about ownership, alright? So remember everyone, no noun comes after it. We say, this book is mine, not mine book, alright? So remember. Finally, reflexive pronouns. These are used when the subject and object are the same. For example, he hurt himself. Who did the action? He, right. Who received it? Also he, right? We use myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves in order to explain about reflexive, isn't it? So all of these are called reflexive pronouns. I hope everyone understands this part clearly. Take note everyone, pronouns replace nouns, help us avoid repetition, and make our sentences smoother and more natural. I hope everyone understands clearly about what are pronouns in English.